Today, we're going to take a look at 10 amazing vehicles that push the boundaries of innovation. From sleek designs to cutting-edge technology, this is a ride you won't forget. Let's dive in. Starting with number 10, meet the Carcle, an innovative hybrid of bike, car, and e-trike designed for the eco-conscious explorer. Made from biodegradable plywood, the Carcle features a front windshield for weather protection and a foldable rear end for customizable ventilation and storage. Pedal with electric assist or use the joystick for speed and direction control. Equipped with a front screen wiper and LED lights, it's both practical and stylish. With a price range of €3,000 to €4,000, the Carcle offers an affordable and sustainable solution to urban mobility. At number 9, KAERI Robot Labs Hoverboard. Imagine a world where your hoverboard drives itself. Introducing the KAERI Robot Labs Hoverboard. Powered by strong magnets and equipped with GPS and obstacle avoidance sensors, this hoverboard offers a smooth and steady ride. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring the city, the KAERI Robot Labs Hoverboard makes urban transportation effortless. With a weight capacity of 100 kilograms and speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour, it's perfect for both leisurely rides and practical use. Control it with your smartphone or let its intuitive system guide you. Created by GIST and KAERI Robot Lab, this hoverboard combines cutting-edge technology with convenience, paving the way for the future of urban mobility. Before we dive deeper into other amazing vehicles, please subscribe so you can continue getting interesting and exciting videos like this. Coming in at number 8 is the Lexus Hoverboard. Experience the thrill of levitation with the Lexus Hoverboard, a marvel of engineering that defies gravity. Made from bamboo and carbon fiber, cooled by liquid nitrogen-filled superconductors, this board floats on a magnetic cushion. Operating on a specialized track with permanent magnets, it offers smooth and stable levitation. While not for sale, the Lexus Hoverboard embodies innovation and mobility, showcasing Lexus's commitment to pushing boundaries. Estimated at $10,000 if available for purchase, it's a glimpse into the future of transportation. Number 7 on our list is MaTeHyS, the electric all-terrain conqueror. Move over, SUVs, there's a new king of the road, or should we say, off-road, in town. The MaTeHyS is an electric beast built to conquer any terrain, from city streets to mountain trails. With a top speed of 60 miles per hour and a powerful electric motor, it tackles tough inclines with ease. This isn't your average e-bike, it boasts a sleek design, a digital dashboard, and even a parking brake for ultimate control. We don't have a price tag yet, but with its high-end features, expect the MaTeHyS to be a worthy investment for adventurous spirits. In the 6th spot, we have Jetpacks Speeder. Embark on a revolutionary journey with the Jetpacks Speeder, a cutting-edge flying motorcycle from Jetpack Aviation. This technological marvel combines the thrill of motorcycle riding with the freedom of flight, offering an unparalleled experience in personal transportation. With its ability to vertically take off and land, powered by 8 miniature jet engines, the Speeder redefines the boundaries of mobility. Despite its lightweight frame of 300 pounds, it boasts an astonishing payload capacity of 600 pounds, coupled with a top speed of over 150 miles per hour. Safety features such as altitude limiters and engine governors ensure a secure and exhilarating ride. Priced at $380,000, the Speeder represents the pinnacle of innovation in both civilian and military markets, setting new standards for advanced technology and distinctive design. At number 5, we have Segway Villain SX10. Ready to conquer the off-road terrain? Meet the Segway Villain SX10, the ultimate off-road machine designed for adventure seekers. With its powerful 1,000 cubic centimeters engine, hybrid powertrain, and smart commanding system, the Villain SX10 is built to tackle any terrain with ease. Its pounce stance and high-performance suspension system provide stability and durability, while 15 inches of ground clearance ensures you can navigate rough trails with confidence. For those looking for even more capabilities, the Villain SX10WX variant offers wider capabilities and enhanced equipment for $11,969. Whether you're seeking thrills or rugged exploration, the Segway Villain SX10 is your ticket to off-road excitement. Taking the 4th spot is the Can-Am Renegade 1000R. Enter the realm of off-road legend with the Can-Am Renegade 1000R, a powerhouse ATV renowned for its race-proven performance and unwavering reliability. Engineered to conquer the toughest terrain with ease, the Renegade combines affordability with uncompromising capability, making it the ultimate choice for thrill seekers and outdoor enthusiasts. Starting price of $11,049, the Can-Am Renegade 1000R delivers an exhilarating ride backed by cutting-edge technology. Its potent Rotax engine, producing an impressive 91 horsepower, ensures adrenaline-fueled adventures on any trail. The Renegade guarantees optimal traction and control in diverse conditions, and is equipped with a selectable 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive system and a V-Sco-Lock auto-locking front differential. The Renegade XXC offers a completely re-engineered suspension system for riders seeking unparalleled confidence on the trail, providing unrivaled stability and performance. Tailored to the needs of mud enthusiasts, the Renegade X MR1000R features a repositioned intake and radiator, massive mud paddles, and a rugged design built to conquer the most challenging terrain. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or powering through mud pits, the Can-Am Renegade 1000R delivers a thrilling off-road experience like no other. In 3rd place, we have the RYNO. Embrace a new era of urban transportation with the RYNO, an electric personal transportation device that's as practical as it is stylish. With its self-balancing single wheel, the RYNO is perfect for navigating city streets and tight spaces with ease. Its top speed of 10 miles per hour, turning radius of 0.9 m, and battery life of 10 m make it a reliable companion for your daily commute. The RYNO's dynamic weight detection ensures intuitive speed, direction, and braking control, adapting to your movements effortlessly. Plus, with features like a horn, LED lights, and a smart display, the RYNO offers more than just a ride, it's a lifestyle. For a limited time, get the RYNO for the discounted price of $5,295 and experience a new way of getting around the city. At number 2, we have the Textron Alterra VLX 700. Dive into adventure with the Textron Alterra VLX 700, a powerhouse designed to elevate your outdoor experience. Priced at $5,999, this utility ATV boasts a robust 695 cubic centimeters engine that delivers ample power for trail riding and light towing. Its sturdy build and 4-wheel drive capability conquer tough terrain with ease, ensuring a smooth ride every time. Experience enhanced control and convenience with features like electric power steering, a digital gauge, and a sturdy steel rack for storage. The sophisticated suspension system offers unmatched comfort on lengthy rides, while halogen headlights and an engine braking system prioritize safety and control. The Textron Alterra VLX 700 is more than just a vehicle, it's a gateway to adventure, combining power, dependability, and affordability in one thrilling package. And finally, in the top spot, we have the Ducati Desert X. Unleash your adventurous spirit with the Ducati Desert X, a testament to Ducati's commitment to performance and innovation in off-road riding. Designed exclusively for off-road excursions, the Desert X features a formidable Testastretta 11 degrees engine, ensuring power and agility across any terrain. With a front wheel measuring 21 inches and a rear wheel at 18 inches, this beast is ready to conquer the most challenging landscapes. But it's not just about sheer performance. The Desert X offers adaptability with 6 different riding modes, including Enduro and Rally, catering to a wide range of riding preferences. This off-road marvel combines cutting-edge electronics with aerodynamic construction, delivering an exhilarating and safe ride that pushes the boundaries of adventure. As we wrap up our journey through these 10 incredible vehicles, remember that the future of transportation is full of surprises. Which one captured your imagination the most? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.